Hello, this is Jonah White and we are here at Dreamweavers. No, Dreamweavers Hill here at Barangay Lamdalag, Lake Cebu. Oh, look at this interesting architecture, typical of this area. Oh, yeah. So this is the package here at Dreamweavers Hill. Ay, salakot. Okay.
Yung driver wala na.
Kabaro. So we're ready to go with this salakot hat. Look at the amazing architecture and the designs made of bamboo. It's just amazing. So even the flooring is designed using the leaf pattern. And not everybody seems to be interested, but I am. So look at the leaf pattern on this walkway. So pretty. That's the kitchen. And look at the view again of the houses in this Tiboli village. Nice pictorial site. Yay! A nice garden here. Alright. So let's explore. Up, up, up. So we are entering the restaurant, facing the view of the farm. Welcome to the Dreamweavers Hill. More pictorial places. It is like a dream. This is an accommodation good for
850.
ah, 2 people. There's a mosquito net.
Capacity 7, 6.
6 to 7 people. 850.
So magkano naman?
1,850
6 person.
for 6 persons.
Dalawa lang.
Pero kung 2 people, 850.
Additional one.
Add
250 per.
how much per person?
Monthly breakfast.
Ah, wow.
Ang 850 with free breakfast?
With free breakfast na. And how much ni gani?
1,700 good for 2 person.
1,700. And that's the common toilet, common CR. This one is worth 3,500. Good for 15 to 20 people.
May balkonahe.
Okay, nice. It looks like a village daw. May neighbors ka man. Oh, may balcony ka man to, no?
May balkon.
And then though you have your own front yard, backyard.
Di ka kanto si John.
Okay, nice. Do tent lang siya. Tawag sina nga house? Ha? Bono?
Gono udi.
Gono odi meaning?
Gono bahay.
Bahay.
Udi maliit.
Ah,
Maliit na bahay.
ang big house?
Big house? Oo.
Gono udi.
Ah, gono dato.
Gono dato. Big house.
So ito lahat, Tiboli inspired.
Basa Ilonggo.
Lowig. Tonok.
Lawig. Payag.
Payag.
Tonok. Lupa. Lawig tonok. Bahay sa lupa.
Ah, the house sitting on the
Earth.
earth. Okay.
Ano ganito ang ano?
House sitting on Goni.
Agone.
Okay. Ano ka klases ng kawayan? Kling?
Clang. Clang.
Kling? Anong spelling?
Clang.
Basta kling. And that one is, ano ni siya nga klase? 7?
7.
7.
7. Ben. 7.
7. Daw
Daw 7.
7, pero 7.
Pronounce 7.
7. So if you want to spend an overnight here, experiencing the Tiboli lifestyle, this is where to check in at Dreamweavers Hill. This is Jonah Ward. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching.